Hi Pisces, let's see your mid-February reading for you and your person in the middle of the month of February 2021. And a happy Valentine's Day to you, Pisces. If this person is your Valentine, you can watch the video for them as well. So this is you and your person. Let's see what is going on in the Valentines with the Pisces and their person. Let's see what is going on with Pisces and their person. How are things going on between Pisces and their person in the middle of the month of February 2021? This is going to be a general reading, my dear Pisces, so it may or may not resonate with all of you, okay? So if it does not resonate anywhere, if you feel that it's not your story, so do not try to make it your. Let's see, Pisces. Okay, the Chariot. So things are moving on with you, Pisces. The Wheel of Fortune with the Six of Pentacles. Yeah. Expectations. A Wheel of Fortune is here. Something, changed all of a sudden with this person. Let's just take a look on the cards. What do we have for Pisces? Okay. So, what are your feelings towards them and what are their feelings towards you? Alright, so I feel that you are in a lot of pressure. I don't feel that this is the person because of whom you are in pressure. It's just an overall thing, Pisces, that you are in pressure. You are in a lot of responsibility mode, and they are in a very different mode. So they are very clear from their mind and they are being in a very spiritual mode, but you are not, okay? So the energies are really different from each other. Let's just see what else do we have. What is the issue between Pisces and their person? Seven of Pentacles, okay. Your actions towards this relationship, their actions towards this relationship. Okay, so just a second. And the overall outcome is Ace of Swords. All right. Things have not been cleared up between you and your person, Pisces. Things are in a really, they are thinking in a very different level and your level is very different. Although you are very attracted towards them, but at the same time you are not in a mode to get into a very committed relationship, Pisces, with your person. Because your person over here is like they want marriage. They want something at this point. They want to get married to you. With the Hierophant and Ten of Pentacles, it's like if you will say that, if you will tell them that let's get married right now, they are like, okay, let's get married and I'm here for you. I was waiting for you to propose me for marriage and I am ready. But you are not. It's like you have created a lot of tensions around you. You have created a lot of problems around you. If you have not created, the things are already there, the problems are already there in your life. You need time. The problem is the distance, the time, already it's been a long time and you cannot do anything, and they are waiting for you to just ask them for the proposal. They are literally waiting, Pisces. Let's clarify why the Ten of Wands is here in your side for your energies towards your person. Why the Ten of Wands is here? Eight of Cups, okay. I think there's something related to the past. It's like moving on from the past, and you are like, you're giving a lot of energies to end the past issues in your life and to move on further. Because it seems to me that though you want to move on, it's like, move forward, the more you are coming back again. So it's like this, you are moving on and on and on. And with this person, you are very committed. There's a beautiful partnership with this person. But it's just that your past is not letting you to move on from that thing. Okay, let's see why the Devil is here in the actions of my Pisces. Why the Devil is here. Five of Swords and Four of Cups. Yeah, it's really hard for you to say yes, to propose that person. People around you are very negative, Pisces, and a lot of negativity is surrounding you. Manipulation is there, negativity. You are not able to see the good stuff with your person. Your person is very happy. Although you might not be giving them a lot of time, you might not be even giving that amount of love which they deserve, which they need, but still they are very happy to when they are around you. They feel like I have waited for you from such a long time, I am ready to wait for you more. Okay, it can be either ways. Okay, if you feel somewhere that this is not your story, this is you, it can be that as well. Okay, sometimes it's like that as well. Okay, let's see. What's your person's energies towards you? What are their actions towards you? Why the Ten of Pentacles is here? Yeah. Wow. They are literally in love with you, Pisces. They are just like overflowing with love. See how this jar is literally, cup is overflowing with water, and see how hearts and hearts and hearts. So it's a very beautiful Valentine for them, for them, because they have you. So that is why they are really happy when you are around them. So they want marriage from the situation. I want to see what obstacle is literally stopping you to go towards them, because they are all into you. Page of Swords. Okay, something something related to some paperwork it can be, because the swords tell us about some paperwork, something related to communication, any communication which is not happening between something. So you have something else in mind. This person is there in your mind, you love them for sure, but it's looking to me that you are giving time, you are giving energy to something else right now. You have to finish those past things and then to move on, because they are already waiting over there, Pisces. So just end all these paperwork, because I'm seeing a lot of books around here, related to law, justice. It can be like that as well. So just wait for all these things to disappear, and then you can move on, because a clarity, because the fog is removing. See how this Ace of Swords is so beautifully, she is standing over there. So it's looking to me that in the future this fog is literally just going away from your life, and you are actually entering the way you wanted to enter with this person in your life. Let's clarify. Knight of Pentacles with a very beautiful, see, such a beautiful offer is coming, and it's looking that when all the things will disappear, when you will get that the things are disappearing, you are happy, you are enjoying, you have cleared out the bad stuff, and then you are moving with a very beautiful and beautiful offer towards, and you're moving on with this person like forever. Okay, so that is all from my side, Pisces. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.